This is how to install the Power Plus 200 massage force waterpik shower thing, and it's got a big long deal so you can take it off the thing and squirt all the different areas and nooks and crannies of your body. So we're going to do that today. Of course, as always, the most challenging thing is getting it out of this plastic. I mean, everything else is a breeze, really. Oh God, look at this. I want to manhandle it, but it won't let me manhandle it. I gotta patiently, oh, there it is. All right, so here's our parts. That's the shower head. That's the shower hookup nozzle. And just give you an idea what it looks like. That's it there. And of course, you gotta have this thing here. And this one just twists off, so it's no biggie. I got some, I bought one and it was just not enough power. So this one supposedly is gonna give me superpower and a really good stream, which will feel much better than the one that I've got. So that's that. We're ready to go. Now we're gonna go in the bathroom and do this thing. All right, step one, you wanna make sure that you pull these things out of there. That's not good to have in there. Take those babies out. So this is the one I got. And this deal right here is way too short. This one I think is a little bit longer. So we're gonna use that one. And I think all I really need to do is unscrew this. And just screw, whoa, look at that. Just squirted all over my feet. Apparently there was some pressure in there. I think if I just unscrew that, I could leave that on there. I mean, I don't have to. I can put the other one on. Let's put that one down there. Maybe I'll take that one back to Home Depot. And I think I could just screw that in there, but I want it to match. So let's go get that other piece and put that on. Where's it at? Over here? Yeah, because this is nice and silvery, and yeah, let's use this one. Because I think it's got a special thing. I think that this gives it some special powers. So we're going to take a look at that. I'm going to unhook this one here, and we'll just take this one off. So I think that's just screwed on. Ooh, there we go. Well, it looks the same, right? I mean, they don't really look too much different. I think this one's just the design. And you know what? I didn't have any. Did I have some tape on there? Apparently I did. And, you know, I should put plumber's tape on there, but screw it. Let's just put this baby on. And let's see if it leaks. If it does, I'll grab some plumber's tape next time I'm over here and just smoke it right on there. But I think it'll be, I mean, I think it could work. All right, there we go. All right, so anyway, if you look on here, it says, well, it's backwards. It says, this is the part that you attach to the shower head. So make sure you do that. Otherwise, it's not going to fit in the in your little pouch that it has. All right. So if not, see, here's the thing. I don't know if you can see this or not. So here, this has to fit in there. All right, if you put the other side on, it's not going to fit. All right, so anyway, just so you can see, here you are. This baby's got to fit in there. So this has to fit in there. So you got to make sure that that's how you put it on. This thing down here, this one here has got to go behind it here. And it's got, you know, this little thing on here tells you which one you're supposed to put where. Once you get it all done, you can take this part of this off. So we'll cut that off with the scissors. So anyway, there you are. There's your shower head ready to go. It's bigger than this one. It'll be better for the showers. Squirting out. Up here, no leakage. Here, no leakage. Now we change it, right? Check it out. Different things. Ooh, that looks good. That looks kind of crummy. Let's take a look. Ooh, that looks powerful. That looks like it could get you. All right, so that's the different settings. All right, let's go ahead and turn this bad boy off. First, I want to keep it from getting me in the... Yeah, I want to keep it wet. All right, so that's that. All right, that's how you do the shower pick. Now I got to clean up this mess.